Okay. So I'm fairly happy now. We finished the um, the the body part, more or less, of the hoodie. I think everything looks good. The only thing that we still need to do is we need to do the um, the top stitching here for the side panel, just to round it off. But that we will do when we do the top stitching of the hoodie, or of the hood. So next now is just to prepare the cuffs and the waistband quickly, and that's fairly easy. So these are the cuffs that will go like this. So with them, it's knit. I'm using knit. This knit is a different knit. It doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. But okay, it is fine for the cuffs. So I just fold them like this. When I started making the hoodies, I just could never figure out how to do this. But okay, now I know. And it's just so stupid and easy. But that is if you are not, haven't been sewing for many, many years. So now, and so now it's just pairing of the cuffs. I should have enough thread there. I must just keep an eye on it, because this thing of the thread in this overlocker, so it looks like this now. So now it's just a matter of turning them over. And there they are. So now it's basically a nice fit, actually. But this is a large in any case, this hoodie. So let me do the next one. So this knit, I think not all knits are equal. I think this is an imported knit in any case, so it's a polyester knit. There is a company here in South Africa, not too far from me, where you can order your knit. They will knit for you stripes or anything that you need in there. It's one of the few companies left here in South Africa. Nowadays, all this stuff is imported from China. But that company, I've worked with them previously. They will knit for you. They will knit quality cotton for you for the hoodies and all kinds of stuff. But you have to order a large amount of meters. So here's the cuffs. So we're going to finish them. Now next up is the waistband. So this comes on the side of the waist, here by the hip, these two pieces, and this piece comes in front and this one at the back, more or less. So and the pattern will match hopefully the front turn there. So now we're just going to do this, attach all of them together. And then we finished with preparing these waistbands, these cuffs and waistband. So sometimes the mistake that I also make is I forget to put them through the machine on the right side. So then sometimes my seam is on the inside here and on the outside on the other side. So now we've got the back or the front here finished. Both pieces are exactly the same, the front and the back piece, because so anyone will match the front panel or the pattern on the printed pattern on the front or the back. So now we've got these. So it doesn't matter. So now we're going to do this side. And this is fairly easy. Just make sure they're a little bit straight there, because this one looks fine. When I rush, I just rush. So now we're going to put these two pieces together. And I think the winter is here. I saw reports of snow in one of the other provinces. So I suspect everything will now be getting colder. Okay, so it's finished now. So we're just going to turn it over like this. I won't give it an iron, it's not necessary. This fleece. But okay, so it's, let's put a clip here, otherwise it keeps on opening. This here, this one here, and this one there. Basically like a belt. We'll align everything nicely later when we do the attachment. But basically there it is. So this is now the front or the back, either way. We'll see when we attach it. But yeah, so this is now it. Hopefully there will be a little bit of stretch on the sides. I did make the knit on the side smaller. I didn't use the exact measurements on the pattern. In fact, I made it this waistband slightly smaller here on the side so that it pulls in a little bit. Okay, so this is now it. In the next video, I think we'll do the hoodie, prepare the hoodie, and then we'll go to the lock stitch machine again to do all the top stitching. But I think everything looks nice. Easy. It's the first thing that you do when you buy a machine. You make a hoodie. Okay.